Hello and welcome to my FL Studio tutorial. I'm Zen McCullum and we are going to be diving into FL Studio 12. This is based off the FL Studio 9 text, however some things have changed drastically and we had to figure out a lot of things because FL Studio is leaps and bounds different from FL Studio 9. So we're going to start off with the first lesson. To create a new file, you want to open FL Studio and go to New from Template, Minimal, Basic, without the limiter. Don't click Basic with limiter, click Basic without limiter. And let me do that real quick. No. Alright, so this is what it will look like. You have your basic features. This is a metronome. This metronome keeps the beat, which can be changed here. Right now we're at 130 beats per minute, and if I bring it down, I can bring it down so it is slower, or faster. So I'm just going to set it at a base of 120 beats per minute. This is a cool, easy one to use. Alright, so what we want to do now is we want to make a basic beat. To make a basic beat, we'll just use these four things on what's called a sequencer. On the sequencer, we have kick, clap, hat, and snare by default. So we want to start off with a basic kick. For kicks, we will do 1/4 or quarters. And for quarters, it's obvious. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are quarters. Now we move on to the clap. For the clap, we would like to do eighths. So that's every other one. And I'm just clicking to add specific notes. So just follow along with your FL Studio program. And a quick tip, if you want to delete a note like, oh, I just created a note there by mistake, what you want to do is just right click it. And it'll go away. So now we have eighths. And the last thing we want to do are hats. Hats are easy. We just do them in 16ths. You just fill in the whole set, all 16 of these little notes. Now we have a new beat. So now it's time for you to make a random pattern for yourself. What you want to do is go up here to pattern 1, click add, and then just, there you go, pattern 2. And here you can just use whatever you want. You can experiment. You can just place dots at random. Just make a little beat. Just like that. It can be anything you want. And to save your work, you want to go to File, Save As, and put FL Studio Lessons. That concludes the first lesson.